We move on to B. For this, we are taking the structure S plus V plus C. We'll take our example 1. She's clever. In this case, we have subject, we have verb, we have complement. Alright? So this is the SVC. She is clever. What happens is that in complement, what you have in complement has close relationship with the subject. Actually tells you more about the subject. But it doesn't, a modifier tells you more about what it modifies. But that's not the case with a complement. The relationship of telling you more is different from that. It adds, it complements. We call it complement, not a modifier. You must know that. You won't say the clever modifies she. No, but it relates back in such a relationship as if you will say she equals to clever. She's the same person she's the person that is clever. That is the relationship. And in most cases, the auxiliary verb is and was actually produce complements. But that is not always the case. After sometimes you won't have complement, rather you have an adverb. Let's take an example. We'll take example 2. Example 2, we can have she's here. Now what you have here is subject, we'll have verb, and then we'll have an adverb, not a complement. Adverb of place, she is here. So it's not all the time that you have is or was or are or am that you have complement after that. What you want to look at is that you can relate it. This one now, it doesn't tell you more about the subject. It's only telling you the place the person is at that time. So you want to realize that. And sometimes a main verb can also produce, main verbs can produce, of course, produce complement. Let's see an example. We can have she looks wise. Looks is a main verb, not auxiliary verb. Yet we have subject, we have verb, and we have complement, because this relates again to she, unlike example 2. So it's like example 3. So this is another structure of the sentence, as we said, SVC. Now we want to take an additional element. We have seen the element subject, we have seen the element verb, we have seen the element complement. Now we can also have SVO. That's S plus V plus O, SVO structure. Now let's take an example.